Cut the H-dot. Your fuel's good. 110 feet, stand by for some dust. Little forward, G. Bigger forward a little. 90 feet. Little forward velocity. 80 feet. Going down at 3. Getting a little dust. You're at 60 feet. Going down about 2. Very little dust. Very little dust. 40 feet. Going down at 3. Stand by for touchdown. Stand by. 25 feet. Down at 2. Fuel's good. 20 feet. Going down at 2. 10 feet. 10 feet. Contact. Stop push. Engine stop. Engine arm. Proceed. Command override off. Mode control ahead. Hold. Pings auto. Okay, Houston, the Challenger has landed.
Roger, Challenger, that's super.
Okay, Parker valves. Boy, you bet it is, Gordo. Boy, you said shut down. I shut down and we dropped, didn't we? Yes, sir. But we is here. And is we here. How's that look? Pressures look great. Tank 2's down just a little bit before. Engine override is on. Manifold is great. Manifold's right on. Go to jets. Okay, I am jets. Okay, that side's complete. Houston, you can tell America that Challenger is at Taurus Littrow.
We'll do it.
Great. Brian, I had the meatball all the way. Beautiful.